Okay, so this is one of our 2 elementary small group rooms. So you guys have 3 rotations each day. You have a game rotation, you have a craft rotation, and you have a small group time. So during this time, you'll be in one of 2 rooms. You'll either be in this room, which is C4. It is the front portable elementary room, whatever you know it as. The other room is C2, or the long room, or the toddler room, whatever you know it has so many different names, but those are our 2 different rooms that we use. And so you'll be in one of these 2 rooms. This room will be set up with round tables, and the 2's room, or C2, will be set up with one long table through the center of it. When you guys are in here, you're going to sit with your group at the table, and you guys have an opportunity to have small group time. So while you guys are in here, you're sitting with your kids, you're connecting with them, you're building those relationships. You're doing things like going over your Bible verse. If kids can say the Bible verse, your team gets points. You guys are going to have a coloring page that the kids can color. Sometimes kids just need something to do to help them to focus a little bit more on other things, and so they have that coloring opportunity. This is an opportunity for you guys to take what they learned in the sanctuary during Bible time and connect it to them, to make it personal. So you guys, no matter what day that is, what that looks like, whether it's Friday and we're talking about fruit of the Spirit, you guys can then take the fruit of the Spirit and talk about that in here and be like, hey, what fruit do you remember from the fruit of the Spirit? Or which ones go over the fruit of the Spirit, and then say, which ones are easier for you? Which ones are more challenging for you? Which ones, how can you work on showing kindness to somebody else this week? So you guys can ask those more specific questions to connect to them. You guys will also be given resources of things that you can talk about as well, but this is a really great opportunity to make it personal and connect with those kids. So while you guys are in here, you'll have about 20 minutes, which realistically is about 15, including your walking in and settling in time, because it does take a while. But you guys will get to connect with them before you guys then go to your next rotation or to closing, depending what your order is for the day, which you'll find out later on when you find out your teams.